Good day, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. Our discussion will be about the online resources, educational sites, and portals. So, by the way, let me first introduce to you my co-reporter, which is Rose and De La Luz, and yours truly, Shahara Rendon of B.Ed 2A. Before we proceed to our discussion, according to Confucius, when you know what you know and do not know, that is true knowledge. So when we elaborate of what Confucius have spoken, so he emphasized the importance of self-awareness and humility in the pursuit of knowledge. When he spoke about knowing what you know and acknowledging what you do not know, he highlighted that we, especially as teachers, need to acknowledge our skills, identify the knowledge gaps, embrace lifelong learning, seek collaboration and expertise, adapt technology, critical thinking in information evaluation, recognize ethical considerations, and acknowledge problem solving skills in ICT by knowing how to apply knowledge to solve real world problems. So, however, in the context of in the planning of these lessons, there is a wide range of references that we as teachers can be used to relate well with the learners of this age. So, example of this is the online resources. So, sites and portals that suggested to utilize to be utilized by teachers, especially as future educators, that we have this knowledge to describe on how these tools, how these sites and portals could be used on how we are going to engage our learners in our daily discussions. So, I am going to show to you the digital storytelling wheel. So, in this storytelling wheel is there are a lot of uh, digital tools, and we are going to um, see the categories of this digital storytelling wheel. So, but first, let us first know what would be this categories and the tools and apps that are nandito nakapaloob dito sa digital storytelling wheel. So, these are the features of number of interesting resources that students can use in class to create and share digital stories. So it is organized into iPad apps, web tools, and Android apps for digital storytelling. So now we are going to proceed to the category. So ano nga ang nakapaloob sa iPad app? So first, we have the 30 Hands, Telegani, Tontastic, Puppet Pulse HD, Tell About This, Adobe, Spark Page, Zooburst, Shadow Puppet Edu, and Lego Friends Story. So in the Android apps, Comic Creator, Pic Collage, Animoto Video Maker, Story Dice, Video Editor are the some of the examples of a Android apps. So next category is the web tools. So example of these apps are the Timeline Creator, ThinkLink, TikToki, Google Slides, Little Bird Tales, Voice Threads, Zimmer Twins, Capsules, and Storyboard. So these are the apps that are in the digital storytelling wheel. So most of us here, most of the apps here, we as a part of a Gen Z, we all know and we are familiar of the some of the apps that I have spoken to you. So now, how to employ these tools in a lesson? So as a teacher, it is important na alam natin kung paano gamitin ito or i-employ ito sa ating klase. So, by employing these tools in our lesson, so this could enhance the lessons by engaging students in a multimedia narrative format. So, for example, is in content delivery such as demonstration, in our demo teaching. So we use tools like Canva to create a visual appealing presentation to convey information effectively. So but when we use Canva as our aid of our learning of our presentation, is we have to consider the learning objectives, students' preference, and subject matter to create an engaging and effective learning experience. So it is important that we are going to look back to our learning objectives if our content or the information that we are going to use is applicable or connected to the topic that we are going to convey to our learners. So the tools that we are going to use is that we have to make sure that this could bring or this could make the atmosphere of our classroom to be a um interactive and cooperative in between the students and students teachers. So yeah, next is the educational sites and portals. So these are the websites that support different educational sectors by providing access to relevant information and tools to each group served. Like a door, the portals open to a virtual room where activities, tools, applications, articles provide ideas and suggest ways on the use of technology tools. So the educational sites and portals. So as teacher, we could use this um to support our class, or how we are going to make lear our teaching interactive. So in this educational sites and portals, so we could gain a lot of information or techniques of how are we going to use the technology tools to integrate in our teaching. One of the example of educational sites and portal is the educational technology and mobile learning that will be discussed of my co-reporter Rose Ann de la Luz. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Rose Andelaluz, the second presenter and the one to continue our discussion about online resources, educational sites, and portals. Let's go back as what Shakara mentioned earlier. Like a door, the portals opens to a virtual room where activities, tools, applications, articles provide ideas and suggest ways on the use of technology tools. Yes, it serves as educational portals serves as gateways of educators to diverse area of resources. tools, and materials are designed to enrich the teaching and learning experiences. They serve as centralized platforms where educators can access curated contents. These portals also provide an avenue for teachers to discover new things, teaching methodologies, incorporate technology into their classrooms, and explore creative ideas that enhance students' engagement and comprehension. By offering a wide range of educational resources, this portal supports educators in fostering dynamic and effective learning environment tailored to diverse learning styles and needs. So, for us to understand more about educational sites and portals, here is one examples of educational sites and portals. It is called the Educational Technology and Mobile Learning. It is a blog site that is rich in repository of tools and applications assembled and curated for teachers and educators by teachers as well. So when we say repository tools, it refers to software or platforms that is designed to store, organize, manage, and provide access to digital content or resources. These tools act as centralized libraries where various types of digital assets, such as documents, files, images, videos, or any other data, can be stored and easily retrieved. Educational technology and mobile learning have emerged as prominent examples within educational sites and portals due to its adaptability, accessibility, and diverse area of resources. It have accommodated various learning styles and preferences and offer adaptive learning tools, interactive content, and personalized experience that cater to individual student needs. This platform can adjust content presentation and pace based on a learner's progress, making education more effective and engaging. It also provide access uh, It also provides access to educational resources regardless of geographical location or time constraints. By the use of mobile devices and internet connectivity, students and educators can access learning materials, courses, and interactive tools at their convenience, breaking barriers to traditional classroom based learning. It also offers a wide range of resources, including ebooks, video lectures, interactive simulations, educational apps, and collaborative tools. Such diverse resources allows educators to supplement their teaching methods and enable students to explore topics in various formats beyond what traditional textbooks or lectures offers. It also shows continuous innovation by integrating emerging technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence into educational setting. By this integration fosters engaging and immersive learning experiences, sparking curiosity and motivation among students. It also often create communities where educators can share best practices, collaborate on teaching strategies, and access professional development resources. They serve as hubs for networking, sharing ideas, and collectively improving teaching methodologies. Educational technology and mobile learning exemplify the evolving landscapes of educational sites and portals, serving as comprehensive hubs that consolidate various tools and resources to enhance teaching and learning experiences. So the administrator of this site also allows users to download, print, and share the materials just as long as proper citation is done and that the materials are shared free of charge. So if you're interested in implementing free educational technology in the classroom, the administrator of this of educational technology and mobile learning highly encourages you to share this blog site. Now let's proceed on to what should be the right mindset of a teacher as well as the future teachers in using tools. Now we know that the internet has evolved so fast and that is inevitable. Continuing working in that particular tool might change as we know that the designers of that tool continue to upgrade it regularly. So simply knowing the features of the tools might not become enough. Therefore, we must set the right mindset when using the tools, especially to those aspiring teachers. So what is the right mindset of a teacher in using digital tool? First, have a right mindset. The right mindset that I am mentioning here is about the right way of thinking how these tools can effectively integrate in the lessons we are going to teach into our students. Second is the openness to learn. The openness to learn embracing a willingness to explore and understand new digital tools, platforms and technologies. Being open to learning ensures a teacher can adapt and effectively integrate these tools into their teaching methodologies. Third is we should hold on a positive attitude. Because positive attitude maintain an optimistic and constructive approach towards incorporating digital tools. A positive attitude encourages experimentation, problem solving, and resilience when faced with challenges or setbacks. We should also nurture curiosity because nurturing curiosity encourages a sense of curiosity and inquiry among both oneself and students. A curious mindset fosters exploration and discovery, allowing teachers to continually seek innovative ways to leverage digital tools for enhanced learning experiences. Sec, uh, the fifth one is the passion. Having a genuine enthusiasm and passion for using technology in education is crucial because passion drives motivation, creativity, and a commitment on utilizing digital tools to improve teaching effectiveness and student engagement. The last one is being persevere. Perseverance cultivate the determination and persistence necessary to overcome obstacles and master new digital tools. Perseverance enables educators to refine their skills, troubleshoot issues, and ultimately integrate technology more seamlessly into their teaching practices. Therefore, a teacher with this mindset sees digital tools as opportunities to enrich the learning environment, engage students, and continuously evolve their teaching methodologies to meet the needs of a digitally driven world. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.